Whether you're preparing for your permit test or reinforcing your road safety awareness, this last step will ensure you're road ready. In this final part of our series, we'll cover 44 more critical signs that every driver should recognize. Let's dive in and see how well you know California's road signs. A. Left turn curve. B. Curve, left. C. Leftward turn. You're right, B. This sign warns of a curve to the left. Question 2. What does this road sign mean? A. Gradual curve. B. Gentle curve. C. Slight bend. That's correct. A. This sign indicates a gradual curve ahead. Question 3. Can you identify this road sign? A. Side road with curve. B. Turn with side road. C. Curve with side road, right? Good choice. C. This sign warns of a curve with a side road to the right. Question 4. What does this road sign indicate? A. Two-way arrows. B. Left or right double arrow. C. Split arrows. Correct. B. This sign marks a left or right double arrow. Question 5. What does this road sign represent? A. Lane expansion left. B. Additional left lane. C. Added left lane. That's the one. C. This sign indicates that an additional left lane has been added. Question 6. What does this sign indicate? A. Lane divider. B. Lane barrier. C. Median divider. Well done. A. This sign marks a lane divider ahead. Question 7. What does this sign tell drivers? A. HOV lane. B. Carpool lane. C. Priority vehicle lane. Correct. A. This sign designates a high occupancy vehicle, HOV lane. Question 8. What does this road sign mean? A. Stay to the right. B. Keep right. C. Right lane only. Absolutely. B. This sign instructs drivers to keep right. Question 9. Can you identify this road sign? A. Low clearance. B. Height restriction sign. C. Low bridge ahead. Good choice. A. This sign warns that the road ahead has low clearance. Question 10. What does this road sign indicate? A. Restricted ground clearance. B. Low ground clearance. C. Low terrain warning. That's correct. B. This sign warns of a low ground clearance area. Question 11. What does this road sign mean? A. Road divider. B. Highway median. C. Divided highway median. You got it. C. This sign indicates a divided highway median. Question 12. What does this road sign indicate? A. T-junction with median. B. Divided highway crossing, T-intersection. C. T-crossroad with median. Well done. B. This sign warns of a T-intersection with a divided highway. Question 13. Can you identify this road sign? A. Exit ramp speed. B. Off-ramp speed limit. C. Ramp speed warning. Correct. A. This sign shows the exit ramp speed limit. Question 14. What does this road sign mean? A. Agricultural vehicles. B. Farm vehicle. C. Slow farm vehicles. Ahead. You got it. B. This sign warns that farm vehicles may be on the road. Question 15. What does this road sign indicate? A. Animal crossing. B. Livestock. C. Livestock area. That's the one. B. This sign warns that livestock may be crossing the road. Question 16. What does this road sign mean? A. Wildlife crossing. B. Deer crossing. C. Animal crossing zone. You're right. B. This sign indicates a deer crossing. Question 17. What does this road sign indicate? A. Fire station. B. Emergency services area. C. Fire truck entrance. Good choice. A. This sign marks a fire station nearby. Question 18. What does this road sign mean? A. Medical facility. B. Hospital. C. Hospital ahead. That's correct. B. This sign indicates the location of a hospital. Question 19. Can you identify this road sign? A. Rest area. B. Rest area ahead. C. Truck. Rest stop. You're right. A. This sign designates a rest area. Question 20. What does this road sign indicate? A. Motel or hotel. B. Accommodation available. C. Lodging. That's the one. C. This sign indicates lodging is available. Question 21. What does this road sign mean? A. Restaurant sign. B. Food dining. C. Food stop ahead. Correct. B. This sign warns that food dining is available nearby. Question 22. What does this road sign indicate? A. Petrol station. B. Fuel stop. C. Gas station. You're right. C. This sign marks the location of a gas station. Question 23. What does this road sign mean? A. Electric vehicle charging station. B. EV charging. C. Charging station. That's correct. B. This sign designates an EV charging station. Question 24. Can you identify this road sign? A. Exit only lane. B. Off-ramp only. C. Exit only sign. Good choice. A. This sign indicates that the lane is exit only. Question 25. What does this road sign indicate? A. US route. B. US highway. C. US route. Sign. That's the one. B. This sign designates a US highway. Question 26. What does this road sign indicate? A. Interstate highway. B. Interstate. C. Interstate roadway. You're right. B. This sign designates an interstate highway. Question 27. What does this road sign mean? A. Milepost marker. B. Highway mile sign. C. Milepost number. That's correct. A. This sign marks a milepost marker. Question 28. Can you identify this road sign? A. Direction. B. Directional arrow. C. Compass direction. Good choice. A. This sign provides directional information. Question 29. What does this road sign indicate? A. T-junction end. B. T-end road. C. T-crossing. Ahead. Correct. B. This sign marks the end of a T-shaped road. Question 30. What does this road sign mean? A. U-turn. B. No U-turn sign. C. U-turn circle. You're right. A. This sign permits a U-turn. Question 31. What does this road sign indicate? A. No overtaking. B. Do not pass. C. Passing prohibited. Well done. B. This sign prohibits passing. Question 32. What does this road sign mean? A. No passing zone. B. Overtaking prohibited. C. No passing lane. That's the one. A. This sign warns of a no passing zone. Question 33. Can you identify this road sign? A. Center turn lane. B. Two-way center lane. C. Two-way left only. Correct. C. This sign marks a two-way left turn only lane. Question 34. What does this road sign mean? A. Straight through. B. Straight only. C. Only straight ahead. You got it. B. This sign indicates that vehicles must go straight only. Question 35. What does this road sign indicate? A. Right turn only. B. Right turn lane only. C. Right turn ahead. You're right. A. This sign designates a right turn only lane. Question 36. What does this road sign mean? A. Start of right, turn lane. B. Begin right turn lane. C. Right turn lane. Starts. That's correct. B. This sign warns drivers that a right turn lane is beginning. Question 37. What does this road sign indicate? A. Bike full lane. B. Bicycle lane for full use. C. Entire bike lane. Well done. A. This sign marks a bike lane designated for full use. Question 38. What does this road sign mean? A. Soft road shoulder. B. Soft shoulder. C. Unpaved shoulder. You're right. B. This sign warns of a soft shoulder. Question 39. Can you identify this road sign? A. Road slippery. B. Wet road conditions. C. Slippery road. Good choice. C. This sign warns that the road ahead is slippery. Question 40. What does this road sign indicate? A. Steep descent. B. Downgrade. C. Steep road warning. That's the one. B. This sign warns of a downgrade ahead. Question 41. What does this road sign mean? A. Dip in the road. B. DIP. C. Low spot in the road. Correct. B. This sign marks a dip in the road. Question 42. What does this road sign indicate? A. Side road at angle. B. Side road slant. C. Angled side road. You're right. C. This sign warns of an angled side road. Question 43. What does this road sign mean? A. Four-way intersection. B. Four-way. C. Four-way junction. That's correct. B. This sign indicates a four-way intersection ahead. Question 44. Can you identify this road sign? A. Roadwork zone. B. Workers on the road. C. Roadwork crew. Well done. B. This sign warns that there are workers on the road. Question 45. What does this road sign indicate? A. Detour. B. Road closed, detour. C. Detour ahead. You're right. A. Detour. Congratulations on completing the final part of our California road sign series. You've now covered all the essential signs needed to navigate the roads with confidence. Keep practicing and stay safe on the road. Click here for more videos, and we'll see you in the next one. Drive safely.